Hello everyone. In this video, the author who is remodeling an old folk house experienced so far. Problems with old folk houses. Inconvenience to life. I will talk about such things. Then, please enjoy yourself. The problem of old folk houses that are difficult to live in. There are few lights and outlets. For old inns and cheap inns. What you feel when you stay. That also applies to the remodeling of old folk houses. It is an overwhelmingly small number of electrical devices. When I stayed at a cheap hotel, I charged my smartphone in. If you don't have enough outlets, I think I have thought a lot. It has been in our lives in recent years. This is because the use of machines that use electricity has increased significantly. Machines that use electricity are very convenient. But the more you can't use it when you want to use it, you don't feel stressed. Also, not only the number of outlets, the number of lights in the house is also overwhelmingly small. The inside of the house is very bright now. Being bright makes humans active. In addition, detailed work can be done quickly. Let's live a bright and enjoyable life. About the electricity shortage I talked about so far. The total capacity of electricity in a house, the amount of electricity that can be used to solve the problem, must be increased. Because old folk houses have an old lifestyle. This is because I had decided the amount of electricity that I could use. At that time, the amount of electricity used was smaller than it is now. Floor heating, air conditioners, water heaters, etc. These were not at the time the old folk house was built. Therefore, the line that receives electricity from the electric power company. The thickness of the main line is thin, and there is a limit to the amount of electricity that can be used. A total replacement is required. Also, the electric wires in the house you are using. I've been using it for over 50 years now. Safety remains questionable due to aging. This also needs a total replacement. When remodeling an old folk house like this, about equipment such as electricity and plumbing, to replace it because it is aging, I strongly recommend it. I want to use electricity conveniently and enjoy my life. What did you think? There are many other problems that old folk houses have. Like a temple in Kyoto. The old wooden building is very nice. But everyone who lives. I am not training. For ordinary people to live. We must improve so that we can live comfortably. We will continue to upload videos related to old folk houses. Next time we look forward to